Hey everybody, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be unboxing. Hey everybody, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be unboxing this for you guys. So let's open up and see what's inside. So in here, I don't know if I want to use scissors. Let's go with scissors first. So yeah, let me get my scissors. Alright, scissors. I'm gonna carefully cut it and then I'll probably just tear the rest of it. Okay, so here is the first doll. Set it down, and then here is my second doll, and inside, oh, the cute keychain. So I think I'm gonna do this one first because he has more stuff. So let's open this bag. Look how adorable he is. So, ooh. Okay, I gotta get some fuzzies off of him first. Oh. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this is BTS's V, and he is just adorable. Oh, you're so cute. But yeah, BTS is V, and inside his bag, I will go through one by one right now. So in the V bag, I'm gonna call this the V bag, I got this bunny plush as well. That is so adorable. And then quite a lot of stuff in here. So this is his clothes. So it looks like in the front and in the back. It just looks like this. Fuzzies. Which I won't worry too much about. And then he has this cute little hat. Oh, these are so cute. Like, his clothing is so cute. So adorable. And then I think this is his, I'm gonna say these are his socks. Has little paw prints on it. How cute. And then he also has a pink, again, more fuzzies. He has this pink bow tie right here. Yeah. And then another pair of, maybe these are mittens too, I don't know. I guess they're the same design, but yeah, either socks or mittens. But yeah, that's all that came in the V bag. So we are gonna move on to the next doll. Now, I'm taking out the keychain right now. So this is the keychain, and it is Taey's keychain. I think he's a fox. I think it's a fox. But this keychain is so cute. I'm just gonna keep it forever. It's not gonna go on my real keys because I don't want it to break or anything, because it looks so adorable. And look at this. It's a star. But yeah. Sorry for the bad lighting, you guys. I have terrible lighting. But yeah, I like how it's designed. It looks so adorable. So for the other doll, this is, let me wrap him first. this is BTS's Suga, and oh my gosh, you guys wanna know why I bought this doll? I bought this doll because he's crying. Like, it's such a cute design, so that's why I got this doll. This doll, he didn't come with any clothes, but it's alright because the doll is just the most precious thing to me. But look at this, how cute. Oh my gosh. I really like the design of this just because he's crying. I know that's sad, but yeah, he's crying and I thought it was so cute. But this is my Sugar doll. So cute. So both of these dolls, they have like ears and they also have tails. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. So this is my dolls from the front, the side, the back, side again, and then the front. They're both so adorable. I'm gonna put Tae's clothes on him and then I'll show you what Tae looks like with his clothes on. And I have to find clothes for you, so yeah. So I just put Tae's outfit on. I didn't put on the mittens or the socks because like I don't think it's gonna show, because I think his outfit's a little too tight for him. He's a little stuffy. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, he's a little stuffy. So I just put the hat and then the outfit on, and it's tricky because like he has a tail in the back, so I don't think it's gonna see how he's so stuffy. It won't even like go all the way. So I just did that, and yeah, that's what he looks like with this little outfit. And I have to find an outfit for this guy. I might have to buy one because I don't think I have any 15cm outfits for him. So I bought these dolls through group orders, but I'm not sure what the names of these dolls are. I do know the maker, so I'm gonna link that down below, or I put it in the description when I find out the names, so you guys will know what the names are. I don't think these are going to be produced anymore. The seller doesn't usually produce the second batch of her dolls. So if you guys are lucky, maybe you'll find someone selling them if you're interested. But these are so adorable. She did have a JungKook one, but I didn't get the JungKook one because I had to choose between the two I really wanted. And I really wanted Tae and Suga, but I do regret not getting JungKook, so if I do find a reseller for JungKook, I will buy JungKook's doll. But yeah, I'll link everything, or I'll put everything down in the description for you guys. So here's everything that came in my package. Got the Taehyung doll, the Suga doll, and then all the accessories that came with the Taehyung doll. Again, Suga didn't have any clothes. So sad. So that basically concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!